What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to be giving updates on NFAI token. But remember, as always, I like to preface by saying I am not a financial advisor by any means, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you are new around here, it would mean the world to me if you'd consider smashing the like button down below and subscribing to the channel. Before we even get to SHYTOSHI here, just about a month ago, on January 26th, I made this video right here titled Dear SHIB Community. SHYTOSHI is backing a newer token, and I think the opportunity is big. At the time of that recording, the market cap of NFAI token was $3.65 million. Today, it sits at a $14.33 million market cap, meaning it has almost went up right around 300, almost 400% in price, as it's approaching a 5x right around that $15 million mark. But why was I so bullish on this project? And why am I so excited for NFAI? Their relation to the SHIB ecosystem, their relationship to Shibarium are both very massive. And we're going to talk about the Medium article that they posted recently regarding the Shibarium update, the lending platform that will be coming. And I think, again, it's going to be something extremely special. So for those of you who got into NFAI early on, congratulations. But in my opinion, I can never tell you to buy, sell, or hold any crypto asset in the market, but I still believe that with artificial intelligence, the AI revolution here in 2023, that AI and crypto coupled together will make something special. And with the Athena bot and all the different utilities that NFAI has to offer, I think it's going to create something extremely special. And I think this is still really the groundbreaking beginning for this specific token and its respective ecosystem. So we'll go ahead and dive in. So I mentioned SHYTOSHI here. You should see that SHYTOSHI liked the tweet that NFAI sent out about 21 hours ago. I'm on his page. You guys can see, I clicked the likes, and it was their updated Medium article, and they memed it. And I love memes. They said here, NFAI holder, AI trading. So it's coming closer to you. And now NFAI holder going towards AI trading. But Shibarium wants a hug first. Well then, NFAI holder, Shibarium, and lending. And there's some nervousness there. So again, I like the satire, but I think again, this really does mean something is coming our way. So we'll dive in. And I know some people did mention in my videos, well, how do we get into projects or how do we get into tokens or those kind of discussions early on? Well, the people that I make sure to always send updates to live as soon as I hear something about a certain token is the Patreon group. I'm not telling you have to join because videos will come out on YouTube and you see what the price points are when they're on YouTube. But again, this here gives you just basically immediate access to any type of information I get. So if you want to join the Patreon, hopefully as the market recovers, it ends up being worth it. There's 3 different levels, pretty much all the same, depending on how you want to, again, just back the channel, $5 all the way to 15, you decide. Now, the most important thing that I want to talk about is the Medium article that was published. This was released yesterday on February 22nd, and I love the title of it. The third option. It has been just over a month since we introduced our idea to the market, and it has been quite the ride to say the least. Artificial intelligence tokens have taken the stage, and many have insisted that this may be the meta for 2023, and I personally would agree. Thus far, we have seen some very intelligent teams showing how the concept of AI or artificial intelligence may be used to better the blockchain with the surge of image generation protocols, Imagine AI, NLP-based Astro AI, and trader based on machine learning and pattern recognition. Keyword here, machine learning and pattern recognition, because there has already been different bots, trading bots that are out there. But when you couple that with those 2 specific things, it makes it kind of special. Overall, this is amazing for the industry, and we are honored to have been embraced into the sector despite our small size. On the community side, we have vastly exceeded expectations and have assembled some of the most intelligent minds in the crypto sector as they rally to our call. And if you haven't been paying attention to Athena bot's basic P&L or the profit loss, it has been quite impressive relative to some of the other AI bots that are out there. And we want your mons, not your wallet. So they kind of give a little bit of a spiel about, different things regarding their social media updates, kind of their perspective on the crypto landscape, which you can all review, and I'll have the link down below for this Medium article for you to review. But The thing that you all care about is what is the incentive or what is the point of being an NFAI holder? In the most simplest terms, especially for those of us who aren't very technically savvy when it comes to artificial intelligence. If you ask me, I'm not an engineer. I'm not a computer scientist. I am a pharmacist by trade, but now a crypto trader or a crypto content creator by day. So let's go ahead and read this, and feel free to rewind, pause, take your time as we go through this specifically. So, NFAI holders. As a holder of the token, you are able to level the playing field as we inspire like-minded projects. They will help to do the same. Our concept will change the way we view cryptocurrency investing. Anyone will have the ability to benefit from both bullish and bearish movements in the market. And I think this is where trading actually kicks in, and the significance of Athena and AI and NFAI token, just like an institution does. It is our hope that in the future, individuals will consider a healthy wallet to include a mix of tokens, stable, and NFAI. Now, remember, I introduced it in my previous video that I, again, published about a month ago, but I talk about that this token here is basically what you can consider a hedge fund. They are looking to hedge against inflation by diversifying the portfolio in both directions, meaning things can go either longs or shorts depending on market conditions. And that's what a day trader does inevitably. But oftentimes you and I don't have the technical abilities to do so. And now NFAI comes in to do it for us with the Athena bot. So you can see they have a little bit of a roadmap of kind of what this alpha, beta, gamma for Athena looks like. But in business, the concept of corporate intelligence is a very important part of organizational strategy. And I really like the way they worded this specific paragraph. As we saw various copycat tokens utilize the NFAI concept to create various protocols, we made a very early decision to leave certain information under wraps, which I think is smart. Keeping your IP or your intellectual property a secret is important until we were close enough to the finalization of the development that it would limit the ability of others to pivot in an attempt to circumvent our plans. To our community, we hated leaving this information out, and we hope you understand this was to protect you by protecting the first mover advantage we have within the market. So now the secret is out. Athena is made up of 3 algos and not 1. So you can go in and look at what the different ones are. There's an index focus neural, which is a team 1, a sentiment team 1, and then the Athena gamma, which is neural and sentiment team 2. So I'm not going to go into the deep depths of the specifics of the tech behind this because I think, again, for this type of video, for those of you who are around here, you want to know, how is this thing going to ultimately make money? And I think, again, when we look at the sentiment specifically, this has not been a big secret and has been a very open part of the success of NLP-based trading since its inception, or our inception. How this works, without revealing too much, is that it scrapes a few social media sites, including Twitter and Reddit, to determine if people are discussing BTC and ETH in a positive or negative light. So we look at things like, on this channel, Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. So the way to make determination whether the market will move in a positive or negative direction, I talk about it. There's fundamental analysis, there's technical analysis, and there's sentiment analysis. And you can kind of think that NFAI is bringing and bridging all 3 of these via their own mechanisms, and they're doing it in a very efficient manner, which in turn is giving Athena bot the determination whether to, again, leverage and buy, leverage and sell, or maybe it's not a time to kind of do either due to, implied volatility coming their way. So again, that's the very basic information when it comes to those 3. And if you're a computer scientist or an engineer, or just want to learn more about this, read through and kind of sift through the information. But they go through it in very specific detail. And I think this here is what will excite the SHIB community, the DeFi infrastructure for Shibarium. Now, if you don't remember, Shytoshi sent out this message that they screenshotted. He said, "I'm doing fantastic." It's been a while since he sent this out. "I'm working on something special for everyone and a year recap, though a bit late." You guys remember the year recap? He just did it, the 2022 year recap. He published via a Medium article. And I've deployed a close friend on a special mission that I also will explain when it is all revealed. He's making good headway, so that I'm very excited. And I think people, even those outside of SHIB, are ready for change, a shift to decentralization. And my understanding, I could be wrong, but my understanding is that special friend is NFAI, based off of the social media support that Shytoshi has already been giving them since they came to fruition. But let's talk about the DeFi infrastructure for Shibarium. Just like the rest of the crypto community, we are extremely excited for the Shibarium ecosystem. Many have wondered why Shibarium team was aware of our existence prior to launch. Why was Shytoshi engaged with us so soon? And after today, the speculation stops, and the reason is simple. They understood that we were only pretending to be just an artificial intelligence token. But we are so much more. And I think the layers as they come in is what's going to change this token's game. We'll be deploying Canis, a DeFi solution that is done correctly and will form the basis for many DeFi products or DeFi protocols on chain. How will we accomplish this? We allude to this in a tweet discussing the ancient Greek story explaining the existence of Canis Minor and Canis Major constellations. So they talk about, in short, the story follows external chase between a dog and that is destined to hunt anything it chases, and a fox that is destined to always elude to its pursuers. For us, the NFAI folks, we see this eternal chase in the symbiotic relationship between liquidity and leverage within DeFi. We envision Canis to be the answer to AVAX, Comp, or just, they're talking about a few different ones, Maker token, or Shibarium ecosystem, utilizing non-custodial contract-based mechanisms to provide liquidity safely and efficiently. So I said AAVE. I'm actually not even sure what token that is. So ignore that I said AVAX there because that is not AVAX. It's not Avalanche. This will provide a mechanism to help the growth for DeFi sector within Shibarium, as various protocols will need lending to provide various services within the blockchain. This here is the game changer. This is what takes NFAI, in my opinion, to a hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars in market cap potential. Why lending? To answer this, take a look at the stats of the aforementioned protocols. Consider what they have near a monopoly on Shibarium, and revenues will be funneled back into NFAI holders, numbering approximately 1,300 today already. And they go through them: Aave, MakerDAO, and Compound. So, folks, I think this here is an incredible opportunity. I know we've talked about so many different digital assets, so many different tokens on this platform, the YourPOP channel, but I think for NFAI, it is going to be something that is extremely innovative, groundbreaking, and may actually lead to the promised land. It says here, as shown above, lending protocols bring in millions in revenue for holders per annum, with this type of protocol providing a battle-tested mechanism to accelerate DeFi ecosystem development on new chains. Given our expertise on both the financial and programming side, it is an obvious choice for phase 2. Additionally, this provides an ability for us to assist in the supply reduction of SHIB tokens. Listen up, SHIB Army. For NFAI holders, this provides a source of yield that is largely price agnostic and provides a massive hedge on Athena due to its potential in revenues and the largest player on the layer 2. NFAI, Athena AI Trading Bot, plus Canis, a lending platform. In short, woof. They talk about some of their operational updates that you guys can all read through. Some of the things regarding the team tokens, ecosystem, and rewards. All unlocked tokens will be claimed, about 5%. Regarding the LP, NFAI multi-sig remove centralization risks that they talk about. This is just, again, absolutely amazing. It said an 11-minute read, but I think it's a little bit longer than that. But a big congratulations to all NFAI holders. And for those of you who haven't decided to jump in, I would at least do some research about it, because I think, again, it's incredible what they're doing. And as we're even going through this video, I'm seeing this token begin to reach its all-time high, which will hopefully be the new ground. I do appreciate you guys' love and support as always. Make sure you smash the like button on your way out. Consider subscribing. All the links will be down below for NFAI, including their website, Medium post, contract address, and everything else that you'd want to need or ask about. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.